Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're talking about how to repair a broken relationship or a relationship that isn't going so great. So this could include a relationship with your parents, your brother, your sister, your best friend, an ex maybe that you want to get back, any relationship, okay? So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do to repair a broken relationship is let go of the past. Just let it go. Just forgive it. What's in the past is in the past and leave it there. Yes, I understand, easier said than done. I've got lots of videos on my channel that can help with that. So subscribe if you haven't already, because every video is designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. And or you can even give me an email and we can chat, because I help people get past the past all the time. Now, the next thing to do is, once you've put the past behind you, let it go and forgiven, is you want to be open and accepting to change in the relationship. You've got to be prepared for it. So what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is, you can't go through, it's going to be very difficult to change and alter a relationship if you're expecting the same old behavior to come back up again. Now, I'm not talking like you don't have to repair a relationship if you don't want to. It's completely up to you. I mean, if you decide that you're done with something, then be done with it. But if you want to repair it, you've got to be open and accepting of change and expecting change. So let's say, for instance, you've got a friend that, is always calling you up and complaining, and you want to change that. You don't want to sit there expecting that they're going to do that, because the more you think about it and expect it, the more it's just going to show up, right? So you want to be open and expect change. Believe that they're limitless. Believe that they can change. This is so important. Now, here is the technical part, the part that you're going to do for the next 30 days is, you want to focus on everything that you like about the person, everything. And you're going to write down, or at least think about, everything you like about the person for, I would say, about 30 days. Sit down and say, I like so-and-so because, and write down everything that you like about them. Now, the point of this is to get you focused on what you like about the relationship and to stop focusing on what you don't like about the relationship, because what you focus on, you will get more of. So you want more of the good in the person that you like, and then write down everything that you like about them. Okay. And then the next thing you want to do, at least a few times in the next 30 days, is write out how you want the relationship to be. How do you want them to treat you? How do you want to feel around them? What do you want? Right? All too often, we jump on and say, oh, this is the problem. This is the problem. This is the problem. And the universe is like, okay, that's the problem. You can just have more of that. But instead, what we need to do is focus on what the solution is and say, okay, I want this. This is what I want. I want the relationship to be wonderful. I want them to have dinner with me every day. I want them to call me and have a positive conversation with me every day. So for instance, if like I said, that friend that calls you and complains all the time, if you want that relationship to be, to be in a positive, where they call you about positive things, then you want to let go of the fact that they complain. You want to believe that the relationship can change and they can be a positive person. And then you want to write it out and say, well, I like them because they talk and spend a lot of time with me and we have great conversations. And then instead of, but I don't want them to complain, write for how you want the relationship to be. Say, I intend for them to tell me positive things in their lives and to have positive conversations with them. Be the possibility of forgiveness, the possibility of inspiration, and of a good relationship with them. And have that intention when you go into these relationships. Let go of the past, be open and accepting. So yeah, that's the overview of having a great and repairing a relationship, is focus on what you want, write down every day for 30 days what you like about the person, so more of that shows up, and let go of the past and believe that it can change. It's completely up to you. You really do create your reality, and you do it through your thoughts. this works. I've done it. Now, it's not so much that you have to do it for 30 days or it's not going to work. That's really never the case with law of attraction. The whole point is to focus on what you want. And to repair a broken relationship, focus on what you like about the person and what you want to experience with the person. Anyways, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I put out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Every video designed to help you create something amazing in your life. Comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see, any videos, or just to say hi. Anyways, have a wonderful day and create something wonderful for yourselves.